So it's amazing how the market works, guys. It's crazy how you can predict a full length uh, trend, like a full length uptrend or a downtrend. In this case, I'm predicting some kind of uptrend. So this is my latest trade. Yeah, guys, as usual, I'm using the same strategy that I always use. If you are interested in learning my trading strategy, guys, you can take the course. The course is in the description of this video. The link is in the description, or you can go directly to binarystrategycourse.com. So let's go down with $500 as usual. This is my own trading strategy. It's based on 4 indicators: MACD, parabolic SAR, RSI, and Bollinger Bands, and a lot of chart patterns that I teach. Yeah, you can take our course to learn our strategy to generate your own chart patterns. All right. Yeah. So for my students, please go back, or student who had already accessed the course, please go back to chapter 5. There's some updates there. The market just changed, and yeah, we had to change on update our strategy. Let's just check here. I guess now we will start to see the uptrend coming, or at least a smaller uptrend. At least a green candle is expected with $500 as usual. Let's go up. So as I was saying, guys, if you can't afford buying our course, that's okay. You can develop your own trading strategy by educating yourself, watching different YouTube videos, free tutorials on YouTube, articles, reading articles on the internet, sorry. Reading books and stuff like that to teach you how to predict the movement, how to become more familiar with the market, how to understand each indicator, and know to use each indicator. So yeah, great. Second win as expected, guys. A green candle was expected here, and then I will see another green candle, perhaps. Yeah, another green candle is expected. And so give me a second here. I guess, yeah, so let's go up. And as I was saying, guys, be careful with using multiple indicators, please. Don't because when developing your own trading strategy, like overusing technical indicators can lead to a poor decision making sorry, and reduced effectiveness. For example, the indicator overlap, the redundancy. Many technical indicators provide similar informations, especially when they are based on the same underlying price data, like the moving averages, the RSI, the MACD. All use or using multiple indicators that gives you that gives you the same signal and we create redundancy. Yeah, create redundancy rather than adding value to your analysis. Let's go down now. Yeah, let's go down. I guess the market will try to stay long the middle band, and I hate this kind of market. Honestly, I was expecting a beautiful clear uptrend, but see now a red candle is being created as expected because the market will try to go below the middle band from the Bollinger Bands. You don't have to use moving averages. This is enough. A middle band is enough. But guys, yeah, don't use multiple indicators, especially indicators that measure the same value. For example, RSI and stochastic oscillator both measure momentum. So using both can give you duplicate signals and clutter your decision-making process without adding any new insights. I guess, as I was expecting, clear one, meaning an up position. Guys, I know what's exactly going to happen. So let's go up with $500. Yeah. Yeah, so as I was saying, redundant indicators will not give you clear signals, but they may cause confusion, and this will lead to hesitation and overconfidence in taking trades. Also, most of the indicators are indicator like the lagging indicators are lagging indicators by nature, meaning they rely on past price action to provide future signals. And when you use too many lagging indicators together, beautiful. Let me just we should go down. We should go down. We should expect this one is going to be red. This 100% is going to be red. The market will not leave the middle band. So back to what I was saying, I was talking about using multiple lagging indicators together. You may receive delayed and conflicting signals, resulting in missed opportunities or entering trades too late. So, for example, moving averages are the most used with the traders, are the most used indicators, but they lag behind price. All right, if you use multiple moving averages with different time frames, the signals may be slow, causing you to enter trades after the trend has already developed. Great. So as I was expecting now, the market will, let me just check. Yes, as expected, the market will try to go up and go above the middle band, and then it will go down and then go up and then go sideways. I hate this type of market. Honestly, I hate this type of market. So, but I'm making money. I'm making money, but I hate it. It's risky, especially for my students. I don't like to show this type of market to my students because it's confusing, and honestly, you will find difficulties using our strategy with this type of market. I like to show you and demonstrate to you how to trade on clearer markets with our trading strategy. So back to our subject, guys, with using multiple indicators, you will find yourself in the just, yeah, I guess now the market will try to go up again, but just above, a little bit above the middle band. So as I was saying, you will find yourself when using multiple indicators, you'll find yourself in the phenomenon called paralysis by analysis, where conflicting signals from various indicators cause confusion and indecisions. For example, one indicator may show a bullish signal while another may show bearish conditions, and this can leave you uncertain about whether to enter the trade or exit, resulting in missed opportunities or poor decisions. So instead of clarifying the market direction, too many indicators can cause analysis overload. Beautiful. Oh, now we will see another uptrend, but from this point, from this candle, from this minute, I'm not sure where the market is going. But guys, just don't take it from me. Do your own research, because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm making these videos for entertainment purposes only and educational purposes only. Yeah, I'm not telling you that you will make the same amount of money as I'm doing here, because it's risky. It would take you years, perhaps. And yeah, this is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options trading. So please be careful. You are risking your money trading binary options. And yeah, if you don't have a good trading strategy and you are not educated enough, you may lose your money. Sorry, you may lose your money, and you lose your capital. Beautiful. Beautiful. I guess that's it. Hope that you enjoyed, guys. I don't believe we are going to see another. Yeah.